My name is Nautilus from Hyosung ATM, and today I'm going to show you how to change the paper in your Hyosung ATM machine. The first thing you're going to do is open the top of your machine. Then you're going to take the cap off of the printer and pull out the old receipt paper. After you've done that, you're going to grab your fresh roll, place it in the printer, film side up, and tear a piece of paper off. Then you're going to feed it through the back and then slide it into the printer until it grabs the paper and gives you a test print receipt. After you've done that, you're going to put the cap back on, close your machine, and you're all set. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like for more videos.